Assalamu alaikum, grade 6s. So today we are beginning with our new topic, which is length. You have already covered this work here in grade 5, but I'm going to just go through a few examples with you so that you understand, okay? Now, before you begin, what is very important for you to remember or to take note of is the rules for converting, okay? We are going to be using four different units of measurement: millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. We use millimeters, centimeters, and meters to measure length, whilst we use kilometers to measure distance, okay? Because it is extremely long. Now, I'm going to go through the examples with you so that you understand. Please take this down in your books, by the way. Okay, so let's firstly look from greater to smaller. Okay, so here we have centimeters and meters are bigger. Centimeters are bigger than millimeters. Meters are bigger than centimeters. So when we want to convert something from centimeters to millimeters, we have to times it by 10. Example, 5.6 millimeters to millimeters. We are going to times the 5.6 by 10 to get it in millimeters, and our answer will be 56 millimeters. Okay, from meters to centimeters, we have to times it by 100. So let's look for an example. Okay, here. Convert 0.75 meters to centimeters. We need to times it by 100. So we times it and we will get 75 centimeters. Okay. Now let's look from smaller to greater. Because millimeters is smaller than centimeters, we will then do the opposite. Okay, we will divide it by 10. Because centimeters is smaller than meters, we will divide it by 100. Okay, so let's look for an example. Millimeters to centimeters. Okay, here's our example. Convert 8 millimeters to centimeters. We will divide it by 10. So 8 divided by 10 is going to be 0.8. Okay, you can use that method that I showed you of multiplying and dividing by numbers with the zeros in them. Okay, remember, when we divide, we move decimal places to the left. When we times, we move decimal places to the right. Okay, from centimeters to meters, you need to divide by 100. Let's look for an example. Here, convert 276 centimeters to millimeters. We need to divide it by 100 and we will get 2.76 meters. Okay, now if you look at this conversion at this table here, it's just telling you what the conversions are. So 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. So if you want to convert millimeters to centimeters, we will divide by 10. Okay, if we want to convert centimeters to millimeters, we times it by 10. Here, 100 centimeters equals 1 millimeter. So if we want to convert centimeters to meters, we need to divide by 100. If we want to convert meters to centimeters, we times by 100. Here, 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. If you want to convert from meters to kilometers, we divide by 1,000. If you want to convert kilometers to meters, we will times it by 1,000. Let's look at an example. Okay, here 40 meters to kilometers. Okay, so from meters to kilometers, we are going to divide by 1,000. So 40 divided by 1,000 is going to give us 0.04 kilometers. You can look at this table here when completing this activity to help you to understand. Okay, once you know your conversions, you guys did it last year, but once you learn it again, it'll be easier for you to answer these activities where you convert between the units of measurement. Okay, if you need any help, please let me know. Please take this down in your books and refer to it when completing the activity. Okay, it will make it easier for you. If you need any help, please let me know. Assalamu alaikum.